Today we're going to be working on our control arms, just replacing them because our previous ones are worn out, and degreasing the bottom of our car.
Should be good, and then yeah, hopefully it's a brand new car after. Brand newish, but yeah, should be fun.
So we've taken off the wheel and jacked up the car. Just got to take off a few bolts. One under here. There's like one here, this one. Whoop, this one. And then yeah, there's like two over there I think, and pull it apart. Replace it with whatever's inside here.
This is what
The future needs. Unboxing sesh.
Let's go, start. Alright, let's take off all this tape. Okay.
Boom.
Done.
I think from this side. I'll flip it.
Alright, this is it.
It's got polyethylene bushings, so it's pretty fat.
Yeah, it looks very fun.
How much better that looks. Show you a comparison soon with the old one and new one.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Alright, time to take the old ones off.
Yep.
So we've got a little issue. The front ball joint that's connected to the wheels is very stuck, very mushy, and very gross and disgusting, and lots of crap in there. It's just very hard to remove that ball joint. And every video we watched is, oh yeah, get a ball joint removal tool. If you don't, just get a hammer and bash it out, and yeah, it's not working. But we'll make it work. Because this guy goes UNSW. So after a long hours, these are the old ones. We've got the new ones in, putting the wheels and hubs back on. Oh, it was a mission. It was a big mission. My camera died hours ago because I left it on. And we just stopped recording, but we got them in, putting the wheels back on, jacking it, taking the jack off. Then we're gonna get new wheels for the new BBS tires. I mean, for the new tires for the BBS wheels. We've got them for the rear, but we don't have for the front. And then after that, we're gonna get a wheel alignment and then make sure everything gets checked up for the control arms. Otherwise, that's it. We did it, and it only took us the whole day and almost night. See ya.
See ya.
Alrighty, today we are changing the front control arms for the E36.
Recorded that part.